Dr. Joe here on Grow with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to be making rhubarb crisp. Rhubarb is actually a vegetable. It's a stalk with a big leaf on it. I like to cut it about this size. However, if you let it grow, it gets really big. Like this. Look how big this stalk is. Most people think it's a fruit because it's juicy, it's tart. It's usually used in desserts. And today, rhubarb crisp, which is rhubarb with some sugar to sweeten it and a topping on it, is a dessert. I remember when I was a kid growing up, I used to get the rhubarb, sneak into the house, get a cup of sugar, and dip the rhubarb in the sugar and eat it. Still a little tart, but pretty good dipped in sugar. What do you think? You could make a hat out of it. How about back scratcher? I don't know, maybe an umbrella. All right, let's get cooking.